Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about a checkout field editor plugin which has been officially provided by WooCommerce. So basically, if you don't know, when you go to your checkout page, when you install a WooCommerce plugin to create an e-commerce website on your WordPress website, there is a cart flow. Like when you add to cart button, like when you go to the product page, you click on add to cart. Okay, let me demonstrate you. So this is my website youtube.srmaranclub.com. So basically we use this domain for only tutorial purposes, right? And right now, as you can see, this website has a very beautiful looking e-commerce website up and running, right? And if you guys want to know how to create a fully fledged e-commerce website with all the free resources out there available, do let me know in the comment section. I will give you a full brief video about it, right? As you can see, this website is built with Elementor, which is one of the best page builder out there. So I was explaining, if you want to edit the checkout page, so let's select this cactus, okay? And if you click here, add to cart, view cart, then you have to go to the checkout page, okay? And if you want to edit this checkout page fields, like you don't want this company name, you don't want to uh, get the customer to fill the country name or city name or anything like that, and if you want to add any extra fields, you can do that. So for that purpose, this particular plugin has been built by WooCommerce company, right? So today we are going to install this particular plugin on our website, and I will show you how you can easily edit each and every field from that particular checkout page. So first of all, you need to buy this plugin. So I'm assuming you have already bought this plugin, then continue watching this particular video. Okay, let's get started. Coming back to my website, I'll just go to the home page. And if you guys don't know how to log into your WordPress website, that is our very first step. First of all, you need to log into your WordPress website. To do that, you need to click on your URL and type wp admin, and it will redirect you to the dashboard. Okay, once you are redirected here, only if you are logged in. Okay, if you're not logged in, it will ask you for the username and password which you have entered while you were installing WordPress on your hosting account, right? So once you're logged in here totally, it is the backend and the dashboard where all the magic happens. This is the interface where you change all the settings of your website, add stuff, delete stuff, right? So let me give you a quick tour. Under the appearance hood, you find like theme, which theme you're using. You can add, delete, new theme, anything. You can customize the theme. Widget area where you can add widget, different kinds of, like in the sidebar. There, footer menu, header menu, you can always decide what things you want to add in the menu. And other things are related to the theme. Like it's optional. It comes with different theme, different option. Like I'm using Astra option. That's why there is a external option, Astra option. Okay. So under the plugin section, you will find different types of plugin. So basically, plugin is used to extend some kind of functionality on your website, right? If you want a slider on your website, you need to have a slider plugin installed backend in your website. Like the most popular slider plugin is like Smart Slider, or we can say Slider Revolution. Okay, so under the user section, you will be able to create user, delete user, or you can assign them different role, right? If you want them to have a editor role, or if you want multiple admins on a single website, you can have that, no issues. Okay, under the tool section, you will be able to import things, export things. You can export your whole personal data, erase your whole personal data. Under the settings section, you will find general setting, reading, writing setting, and discussion setting, and permalinks. Basically, permalinks is one of the important concept where you get to uh, structure the URL, right? This is one of the important aspect. You should always take care of that. Okay, moving forward, so we are going to install a plugin today. Okay, come here, let me show you what are the plugins I have already installed. These are the basic plugin. Like these are the only 5 plugin which takes you to create a normal looking e-commerce website, right? So let's add that particular plugin. Click here, add new. And before uploading the plugin, let me explain you, like WordPress by default provide you n numbers of free plugin. But the thing is, there are a lot of difference between free plugin and paid plugin. Under the free plugin, you don't get a lot of functionality. Their major key feature is always logged inside their own premium plugin, right? So let me explain you like this. Yoast SEO is one of the most popular SEO plugin out there. With the help of this, you will be able to do SEO for a single page, a single article. Like when you're doing SEO for a single page or a single article, there is a option where you can add key phrases. But the thing is, under the free plugin you will be only able to add single key phrase, which is not that good. If you want to add more than one single key phrase, you have to purchase their premium plugin. So that is how their marketing goes. Like, so I generally prefer, if you have a little bit of money to invest upon your business, always invest that money in buying some really premium theme and really premium plugin. Okay, I hope you really get my point. So let's upload this particular plugin. Click here, select, and this was the plugin. Let's install now. The installation process totally depend upon your internet speed. Mine is working fine, so let's activate this plugin. Okay, as you can see, this particular plugin has been activated. So I will just give you a overall review. Coming back to the cart page, we will edit each and every option so that you will get to know what we are dealing with. This is the page and this is the structure and the form which you have to fill before you place an order. Okay, coming back to the dashboard, and under the WooCommerce setting, now you will see there is an additional option called checkout fields. Click here, and now you see all the things which are here on the checkout page are listed here, like first name, last name, and you want the billing company. This is not required. You can always select required or email. So here I want to remove this company. Okay, I will just select this billing company. I don't want it. Just disable it and save changes. Coming back here, just refresh it. As you can see, that billing company has been removed. But if you don't want them to ask your number, like as you can see, there is a country two option. There are two fields for country, which is not good, totally not good. Okay, so we will remove one option. As you can see, country is just above the postcode, and postcode is here, city is here, so country is mandatory with this particular field. We can always remove this one, just disable this one, we don't need this, and just save changes. And if we refresh the page, as you can see, that particular option has been hidden. So you can always add new things or delete new things. As you can see, if you want to add a new field, you can always add like, what should we add? Let's add email. Okay, there is already an email option, but you can ask them for your social links. Okay, social links, that has to be a text form. Okay, but and here is the text which it will appear on the form, right? Social links, and let it be empty. Do you want it to be full width? Left side, let it be full width, and I will make it required. Okay, save changes. And here you will see there will be an option where they have to add their social link. Like I can always say that add your FB account link. That would be more specific, right? Refresh, and every person which are whoever is going to purchase from this website has to add a FB account URL, so that whenever we are marketing we can retarget them. Okay, cool. So I guess you really get my point, how easy that is to edit your checkout page, field or form, whatever you call it. So I hope you really get the concept. So I want to wrap up this video. I hope you really like this video. If you did, just give it a big thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching.